setting up the mansion tent. And then off to the next track tomorrow. I only got a few clips of Fox Raceway because I'm a dummy head and forgot to put my GoPro on. No way. I was gonna make a sandwich, but water got in the bag because the ice melted. Soggy bread. I might just have to eat the meat. Oh. Racetrack tomorrow, let's get it. Look at that. Grill master. Oh yeah. Whoa. What a distinguished gentleman. And he's got the glizzies as well. But not like that piece of meat. Let's get it. Out here at Kahila Creek, we think, or something like that. About to hit the vet track for you guys, and then I'll get some main track too. I think my ribs are broke. Yeah. It hurts to laugh.
An eternity later.
Are you riding or are you fucking being a pussy?
How'd you guys get here?
We rode
on the road, dude.
Y'all sent it, huh?
Yes, sir.
Itching.
Let's go.
Itching.
Damn. So I guess I gotta pull out the stallion, huh?
Yeah, you do. You have to come ride. You got about 15 minutes. Get dressed.
I tried to ride the 80 yesterday. It went alright.
Are you hurting?
A little bit.
Nah, you're good.
Alright. Guess I'm taking out the stallion. Oh, it's in gear.
You better get that stallion
The
out.
boys arrived.
Here.
As long as I just don't crash, I'm good.
That's exactly what I've been saying. As long as I don't crash, I'll be fine.
It's nice and slick out too, so
It's
so slippery.
So perfect.
too slippery.
It's like the perfect conditions to crash. $50 or something?
Damn.
Yeah.
Very nice. Alright, we're about to go find some trails. We're not even riding at the track at the house. It's pretty overgrown and it's slick out. And I'm definitely not trying to get hurt with my ribs. Right, Sam?
That's a sick helmet now.
Oh yeah. So we're out here looking for the turn track. We're out in the woods. Looks like Sam got stuck down there. You know, I'm also just riding easy. Not going very fast. My ribs are still kind of messed up. So I'm just taking it easy, but I need some footage, you heard? Time to explore. Yeah, the turn track, it's cool in the winter, I guess, when all this grass is in here. It's just too hard to see where you're going. I know. Learn the track, learn to where to go. I'd rather go explore, loser. Sick jump. Hop. I knew that was happening. Oh! There it is.
Did your wheel this?
Talk about slick. Dude, this is ice. Ah! Oh my gosh! Look at the size of the thorn in my finger. Hold on. Dude, look at the size of this thorn in my hand.
Oh no!
Thanks. Try and not be degenerates on the road, you know?
A few moments later.
I thought. This sand stuff, I love it, but it makes you so tired, you know? Riding through sand gives you that hard arm pump. I guess because it's so loose, you kind of grip a little harder on the bars. Oh wow, this is sick. Interesting. We have no idea where this leads now. Somehow I ended up in front. We're just gonna go for it. interesting. Woo! I'm definitely getting the illegal vibes, but you know, I'm kind of about it. I'm not gonna lie. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Just into a massive hole. That's the only thing I'm scared of. I'm just like kind of looking. That was a good ride. just washed off the bike, about to go home. Let's see. Thanks for watching.